Reflection. Reflection is best done with tracing paper in your exam. However, unfortunately I can't show you using tracing paper on this. But I can show you the method that you use for carrying out reflection. But you would find it easier to use a bit of tracing paper to make sure that what you do is you draw around the shape, you draw on a line of symmetry, and you flip it. Because that's what reflection means. It means flip the shape. And when you're asked to describe a reflection, or when you're asked to draw a reflection, you're always given one key bit of information. And that is the line of symmetry to be used. And the line of symmetry is the line at which you're reflecting your shape through. So if we're asked to reflect shape A through the line x equals 6 and label it A dashed, we need to draw the line x equals 6. Now what does x equals 6 mean? Well, it means where are all the x coordinates equal to 6? So what is this coordinate here? That's 6, 1. This one here is 6, 5. 6, 8. 6 minus 2. What you notice is all the x coordinates along that line are always 6. And that is what the line x equals 6 looks like. It is a vertical line going through 6. So x equals 1 is a vertical line going through 1. So x equals a number is always a vertical line. So we're asked to reflect the shape A through this line x equals 6 that we've just drawn. So remember, if you're doing this on tracing paper, you draw around this shape, you draw on the line of symmetry, and then flip it and just colour over your shape, and you should find it appears in the correct place. However, if you haven't got tracing paper, which you can ask for in the exam, then you can count how far is it away from the line. So this point here is 1 square away from the line, so it means it's got to be 1 square away on this side. Likewise, this one here is 3 squares away, so it's got to be 3 squares on this side. And the final point, that is 3 away, so it's got to be 3 away on this side. And then you can draw in with a pencil and ruler your reflected shape and label it A dash as asked. Now we're also asked to reflect shape B through the line y equals minus 1 and label it B dash. Well, if x equals a number with a vertical line, what do you think y equals a number might mean? Well, yeah, it does. It means a horizontal line. So x equals a number means a horizontal line. So in this case, it's where all the y coordinates are always equal to minus 1. Well, we've got minus 9 minus, that'll be minus 2. Let's try again. Minus 9 minus 1. We've got minus 6 minus 1. Minus 3 minus 1. 0 minus 1. So all those there, all the y coordinates are minus 1. And yet again, if I had this in an exam, I'd use tracing paper, I'd draw around that shape, I'd draw on the line of symmetry, then flip it, line up the line of symmetry and colour over the back of the shape. Or you could count. So from there to our line is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's going to be 5 on the other side. Likewise, this point is 8 away, so it's going to be 8 away this side. And the final point, it's also 8 away, so it's got to be 8 away this side. And then you can draw in your reflected shape with a pencil and ruler and label it V dash. Now if you're asked to describe a reflection, remember the key thing you've got to locate is where is the line of symmetry, which is always going to be the line directly in the middle between your two shapes.